Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stew red beans Trini style, easy method. Start by sorting beans and soaking overnight. Prep aromatics like garlic, onions, thyme, and bay leaves, and measure coconut milk and stock. Sauté aromatics, brown meat if using, then add beans and liquid to simmer gently. Finish with fresh herbs, adjust heat with Scotch bonnet, and serve hot with rice or fried plantain. Gather beans, coconut milk, thyme, bay leaves, browning, oil, salt, pepper, and smoked meat if desired, then prep vegetables and spices. Rinse soaked beans and set aside, measure stock and coconut milk, and portion out browning for color. Chop aromatics finely and decide Scotch bonnet heat level. Keep it whole for mildness or slice for more spice. Have rice or bread ready to serve with the finished stew. Heat oil and sauté onions until translucent, then add garlic and thyme and brown meat if using for extra flavor. Add soaked beans and enough stock to cover by 2 inches, bring to a boil, then reduce to a gentle simmer for 2 to 3 hours until beans are tender. Stir occasionally, add coconut milk and browning toward the end, taste and adjust salt and heat, and finish with fresh herbs before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.